Hey guys, Tech here again. We're going to go over the ACE3 logistics module. As you can see here, this M-ATV has taken damage and is missing a wheel. It is also missing ammo from its gun and also requires fuel. We're going to go through all that today, along with explosives and mine detection and defusal. We're going to start by replacing this wheel. Any player can replace a wheel. You do not need to be an engineer. However, you do require a spare wheel. We have a couple here in the back as well. If you ace interact on the vehicle, up here by the body, go to cargo, we have a spare wheel. We're going to replace this wheel. I have a wheel here. You can also carry them or load them into the vehicle. We're just going to replace it. We're going to ace interact again. We're going to change wheel. One of the abilities you have as an engineer is the ability to repair parts of the vehicle. If you go up to a vehicle and ace interact, you will see you can repair body as well as other sections as well. Because we are in base and we have a repair HEMT nearby, we also have the ability to full repair to bring every component up to 100% at the same time. Individually selecting each component will bring each component up to a maximum of 60%. We are going to do a full repair for the interactions, repair, full repair, but we also have the option just to repair the body to 60%. But we're going to do the full repair. And this will change depending on how damaged each component of the vehicle is. This M-ATV is now 100%. So we're going to reverse this, and we're going to visit the other rearm and refuel station. To refuel the vehicle, you require a fuel HEMT. Approach the back and use the ace interact. Interactions, refuel, you can check the fuel container, check the remainder fuel, we're going to take the fuel nozzle. As you can see, he has it in his hand. Approach the vehicle, we wish to refuel. On the ace interact, we're going to connect the fuel nozzle. And left click to connect. We can now start the refuel process. We can now start the fuel process. Start fueling. Fueling started, fueling complete. That's it. We now have to disconnect it and return the nozzle. We're just going to refuel and return the fuel nozzle. To rearm, your selected vehicle must be within 20 meters. To rearm, go to the center of the HEMT, interactions, take ammo, the selected vehicle you wish to rearm. It is now currently rearming the M-ATV heavy machine gun. Rearm complete. We can now double check. 100%. As an engineer, you also have the ability to disarm IEDs. Ahead of me appears to be an enemy IED. We're going to confirm it's an IED and then disarm it. To confirm, we're going to use the ACE3 metal detector goes in your pistol slot in your inventory. Called the VMM3. To enable it, use your self-interaction menu. To select equipment, metal detector, we're going to connect the headphones. Then we are going to activate it. As you can see, my earplugs are also in, and then activate it. So we can confirm it is an enemy IED using the metal detector from Ace. Now we will attempt to disarm it. I'm going to go to crawl position and slowly crawl towards it. In my inventory, I must have a defusal kit as well as a tool kit. I will now interact with it and attempt to disable it. A little closer. A little closer. Diffuse. It appears that some sort of charge or primer went off, but the mine is disarmed. I'm still in pain. And there you go. As an engineer, you also have the ability to place explosives. Simply use your Ace interaction. Equipment. Explosives. Place. Demolition block. As you can see, I can move it, rotate. I'm going to place it on the ground. I'm going to place another one as well. Right now, these explosives cannot be detonated as they do not have fuses. So we're going to set that up. I'm going to select a trigger. Timer. You have two to choose from: an M57 firing device and M152 rams. We're just going to use the M57. As you can see, the detonator is now shown. And in my Ace interaction menu, explosives, firing device, I can choose between 1, 2, or all. To defuse, it's the same way as the IED. You still require a defusal kit. Now you can just pick it up.